Top 5 winning products to sell in December Shopify Dropshipping 2022. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another Shopify dropshipping tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you and telling you about all of top 5 great products that you can dropship in the month of December. And it's the month of December, and it's the time of the year where the Christmas is near, New Year's is near, and people are just making a lot of purchases because items are on sale, and people just get the items which catches their eye the most. So we're going to be going through all of that, and obviously we know that items on Christmas are on a huge sale, so people do have a steal at all these products. So I'm going to be going through all of that, and I'm going to tell you all the top 5 products, and I guarantee you that these products will make you a lot of money if you drop ship them. So I'm going to go through all of them. I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends and how to allocate those products with Google Trends and to see the Google Trends graph, and according to that, how you can drop ship. I'm going to discuss all of it. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So just make sure to follow all of my instructions and listen to all the details I have to provide, because if you do, then I guarantee you that by the end of this video you're going to properly know what products to dropship and what products to buy in the month of December. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first product that we're going to be discussing today are waterproof socks. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, waterproof socks. So waterproof socks are the new things that are viral nowadays because obviously, first of all, they're waterproof. You can wear them out, and thus them being waterproof also makes them good insulators. So it keeps your feet warm. As you know, in the month of December, it's freezing cold in many areas. So these waterproof socks keep you warm, and you can wear them in any type of wet surface, or you can even wear them underwater and your feet will not get wet, because what does everyone hate? Cold feet and wet socks. And these waterproof socks will prevent you from getting cold feet and wet socks. And if we go check on Amazon, we can look at the prices and all the reviews, and we can see tons and tons of people are ordering these. Look at this. They go from $43 to $36 to $53, and tons of people have been ordering these. You can cross-check it on Google Trends. Now, if you don't know what Google Trends is this amazing service that Google provides you with. In this, you can basically search up anything that is trending on the Google search bar. So you can check it all out over here, and you can just write, for example, you can write waterproof socks, and make sure to pick a proper search. And once you do that, down here are going to be the graphs. Now obviously right now I think the servers are down, so it's not finding any, but trust me, when your servers are up, you're going to properly see the graph data, and you're going to see that there is a great uprise in that graph. So yeah, you can cross check from here if the product is trending. So you can check that, and if it is trending, then obviously go for it and drop ship it, because you will make tons of money from it. So yeah, this is one of those products, and I just told you all of his details, and you can get a good retail net price, and you can make a lot of profit off of drop shipping this. So yeah, this was the first product. Let's move on to the second. The second product is a grip buddy. So what is a grip buddy? Grip buddy is basically a grip device that basically builds your grip, and it strengthens your forearm muscles, it strengthens your fingers, and basically just makes your grip much better. And you must have seen these a lot on TikTok, these things right here, this glove-like thing, and you can go on Amazon to check these. These are great for your forearm workouts if you are a lot into gym and aesthetics, and you want those extremely vascular and veiny arms, you want those veins to really pop out, then use this product, because it gives you great for our muscles. And obviously, people do tend to order these things in the winters or December because it's really cold. In the cold, people tend to work out a lot, and obviously, this is a great workout device, and yeah, a lot of people are ordering these. And optimally, the price for this is quite decent, from like $29 to $34 to $40, and a lot of people order this product. So you can dropship this product as well, and it will make you tons and tons of money. Now let's move on to the next product. So the next product that we're going to be discussing is the hair curler rod. Now, what is the hair curler rod? The hair curler rod is obviously for the people who have curly hair, and as you can see nowadays, curly hair are in fashion. Many people, as you can see on TikTok, celebrities, a lot of people are into the curly hair trend, and you can see a lot of people just want curly hair nowadays. So people tend to get curly hair and curler hair irons a lot, and these hair curler rods do come at quite a pricey range. They tend to go from around, you can say, about $60 to maybe even $100, and they are quite pricey. So people tend to buy them a lot. So like, if you start dropshipping these items, and if you get lucky enough to like get a lot of customers that dropship your specific item, then I can guarantee you that you can make a lot of money off of these hair curling rods. Like, even if I go to Amazon right now, if I write Amazon over here, or if you go to AliExpress or Alibaba, you can check the prices for hair rollers or these hair rods. Obviously, over here it's for $10 because these are the basic ones, but they go up to almost, as you can see, up to $70. And a lot of people tend to buy these things. So just saying that this product is a winner, and I'm telling you, this is one of those products that you are bound to make a lot of money off of this. So trust me, if you dropship these, you will make a lot of money. So now that we have seen this, let's move on to our fourth product, and this is the Gel Blaster. Now, if you're hot on TikTok and if you use TikTok a lot, then I don't really need to explain what this is. But if you're not too much on TikTok, let me tell you that Gel Blaster is basically the new type of Nerf gun or a water blaster. Basically, it's this type of Nerf gun. It has a Nerf gun design. And basically, you load little gel balls into it, and from there on out, you can play with your friends, you can shoot her around. No, and it's totally safe, totally free. There are no chemicals, no nothing. And many people, many kids of all ages, people even in their teens, tend to buy these things, and obviously they're for around a pricey range of $80. And a lot of people do get these because obviously this is trending on TikTok, and a lot of people use TikTok and looking these products on TikTok. A lot of kids of all ages order these things. As you can see, there are $60, and they just keep going up in price ranges. Only the gel for it is for $13, so you can pretty much connect the dots and find out that it's actually quite the money. So if you dropship this as well, you are bound to make tons of money because many kids of all ages who use TikTok do get these products. So yeah, this is another product that is a winner when it comes to dropshipping. Now, last but not least, the Kawaii Bear Straw Bottle. This is a product that's been trending a lot. It is a very cute and small product, and people have been dying over it because of how great of a gift it could be, or even if you want it for self-use, if you're into cute, small, aesthetic items, this is great for you. And people tend to order these things a lot because they're just a good thing to have in your house. They give positive energy, good vibes, and a lot of people ordered this. Even if I were to check its stat on Amazon, I would be able to see a lot of people ordering this, and it's only $10. And on these $10, imagine, because there are millions and millions of people who ordered this. So imagine $10 paid by millions of people and you drop shipping that product. That gives you so much profit and you don't even have any clue. So this is another winner for you when it comes to your Shopify drop shipping. So yeah, those are the top 5 products to dropship in the month of December. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope these dropshipping tips were good for you. If you want to see more videos like this, do let me know. But that was all from me. I will see you all next time. Goodbye.